Decluttering your home can be a life-changing experience, but it's not always as simple as it seems. Today, we're going to explore 5 harsh truths about decluttering that you need to know before embarking on your journey to a clutter-free life. Harsh truth number 1. Decluttering alone is not enough to give you the clutter-free home and life you deserve. Think of it this way. If you break your leg, a doctor wouldn't just give you a band-aid and send you on your way. They'd reset the bone and put you in a cast. Similarly, decluttering is only part of the solution. Many people fall into the trap of decluttering their homes, only to fill them right back up with new purchases. This cycle turns decluttering into a mere band-aid, treating the symptom rather than addressing the root cause of clutter. To truly tackle clutter, you need to master 4 key areas. First, control your inflow of items. Second, manage your outflow effectively. Third, establish systems to maintain order. And fourth, work on your mindset. These 4 pillars are like the legs of a table. If one is missing or weak, your efforts to maintain a clutter-free home will be unstable. Harsh truth number 2. Everything is hard, but you get to choose your hard. Decluttering is undoubtedly challenging, but living with clutter and mess is equally difficult. Studies have shown that a chronically cluttered home can put our bodies in a constant state of stress. If your clutter stems from a shopping addiction or overuse of retail therapy, changing those habits will be hard. But it's also hard to live with the crushing debt that often accompanies excessive buying. The key is to choose your hard wisely. Opting for the quick dopamine hit of instant gratification often leads to long-term struggles. Instead, focus on making healthier choices that may be difficult in the moment, but lead to greater satisfaction and well-being in the long run. Harsh truth number 3. The use it or lose it rule is crucial, but often misunderstood. Many people struggle with letting go of sentimental items or collections, fearing they're discarding memories or valuable possessions. However, it's important to remember that our homes and the items within them should serve us, not the other way around. Just because an item once held significance for someone doesn't mean you're obligated to keep it forever. Give yourself permission to let go of things you don't use or love, even if they once belonged to a loved one. Your home should reflect your current life and values, not serve as a museum for the past. Harsh truth number 4. No one wants your stuff. This can be a tough pill to swallow, especially for older generations looking to downsize or pass on their possessions. Many people overestimate the value and desirability of their belongings due to a psychological tendency called the endowment effect. You might encounter situations where items you thought were valuable turn out to be worth very little, or where family members aren't interested in inheriting certain possessions. It's crucial to be prepared for this reality and not let it hinder your decluttering progress. Focus on keeping what truly matters to you and finding appropriate ways to dispose of the rest, whether through donation, sale, or as a last resort, disposal. Harsh truth number 5. There is no special secret to decluttering. While there are numerous decluttering methods and systems out there, from the 4-box method to the KonMari technique, the truth is that no system works unless you actually implement it. The key to successful decluttering isn't finding the perfect method, it's taking action. As author Brian P. Moran said, the barrier standing between you and what you are truly capable of is not a lack of information, ideas, or techniques. The secret sauce is execution. It's easy to get caught up in researching and planning, but real progress happens when you take that first step. Remember, you don't need to aim for perfection or have large blocks of time available. Even 15 minutes of decluttering here and there can make a significant difference. The most important thing is to start and maintain consistency in your efforts. In conclusion, decluttering can be a challenging but rewarding process. By understanding these harsh truths, you'll be better prepared to tackle the task effectively. Remember to address the root causes of clutter, make wise choices about what to keep, be realistic about the value of your possessions, and focus on taking action rather than seeking a perfect system. Your journey to a clutter-free home starts with that first step. So why not begin today? Your future, organized self will thank you.